Hey guys, it's Kay and it's camping day and I'm getting ready, and I've been challenged or invited by one of my team members to share what I love about my job. And so this one's just quick because there's so many things that I love about my job that she asked me to share 30 days worth of what I love about my job. So today is about free products. And I love free products. So this is our new Snackle Box. And it is our Stay Cool Snackle Box because it has the freezer packs in the bottom. You just freeze them, keep everything cool for 4 to 6 hours. But I don't like my food to touch. And it's got all of these, well, it comes with 6 containers. And so I am filling it for our easy dinner tonight for camping. But I got it for free. I just was doing my job and making my paycheck, and I got to have this Stay Cool Snackle Box for free. So what things would you put in your Snackle Box, even if you weren't going camping? So I've had some of my consultant friends use the Stay Chill Snackle Box for like soccer games and all-day baseball practices. And you know, you have to feed your family after those. Kids are hungry and all things. And so they are like, hey, I can just put lunch in my Stay Cool Snackle Box. I don't have to spend a ton of money at the concession stand. I go and support the concession stand, but I don't spend a ton of money at the concession stand. And then I'm also able to feed my family for cheaper. So what would you put in your Snackle Box? Somebody suggested the contents for a Bloody Mary bar, or things for the for like an ice cream bar or a taco bar. Getting all of those ready for that. So I got my cauliflower and broccoli and carrots in their little boxes, and I also have some beef summer sausage that I'm going to drop first, and then I'm going to cut it up so it can go into the Snackle Box, because easy dinner when we get to camp tonight is always just summer sausage, cheese, crackers, pretzels, things that we can just put out on the picnic table right after we've gotten done. And we are, we're just working around camp, getting things set up, but people are starving at the same time. So beef summer sausage is a good one. Did you know that, I have to tell you that the Snackle Box, which comes with a lid that snaps down. So snackle, tackle, you know. Oh, it's the tackle for snacks. Anyway, it snaps down. And then you can carry it around. And you could get it for $30 this month. Yes, it's on sale. New consultants get it for $30. Hosts who can get 60% off anything can get it for $33, and then it is on sale for like $84 just for guests who would like to buy it. Do you need a Snackle Box in your life? If so, please check the link in the description of this video, and I will be happy to have one headed straight to your house. You guys make a great day. I'm gonna keep filling up my Snackle Box with beef summer sausage, cheddar cheese, and turkey pepperoni, so that we can get to camp. You guys make a great day, and if you have any questions, please write them in the comments, and we'll see you soon.